at the ground level. Okay, so here's One World Trade Center again. It would be a real help if the wind were to stop blowing. Okay, here are those sections of the antenna spire again. Those two sections are still sitting here, along with many others. Let's stop for a straight up look. And again, here are these sections of the antenna spire. The second piece has been lifted and is waiting on the temporary platform. Here's the base. So again, there are sections of the antenna spire. That squared off section. There's Tower 4. Here's another look at the hoist that is being dismantled. Now glass will be filled in here. I'm sorry about the shakiness. I'm really cold out here. Here's Tower 4, 4 World Trade Center, and 3 World Trade Center. Okay, I'm inside the World Financial Center now. This wind today is just terrible. I mean, I can't even walk straight into it. It literally feels like the wind is gonna pick me up and blow me away 10 blocks down the street. But in case you couldn't hear me outside, I was just saying that Tower 1 is having more work done on the base. The base is continuing to be squared off. And the hoist is being dismantled, where glass will now be filled in on those floors. Tower 3 still on hold at the 8th floor, but there are talks of a tenant, and talks are very close, so I have hope for Tower 3. Tower 2 is still a different story though, still at a standstill. Tower 4 is having some work done on the bulkhead. And the glass has temporarily stopped. The glass will continue once the bulkhead work is complete. And again, in case you couldn't hear me, hold on, I'm gonna move over here. In case you couldn't hear me, I was saying that One World Trade Center's HVAC glass, the ventilation glass, is going to be installed on the other side from here as well. I thought it was gonna wrap around, but apparently they're gonna do this face and the opposite faces first. You can hear the wind blowing through the door here. You hear that wind whipping through the door? Alright, I'm back outside. I'm at North End Avenue and Vesey Street. Here again is One World Trade Center. The Freedom Tower. Is being done for the antenna spire installation. A second piece will be added, and then a third piece will be hoisted soon.